All right, everybody. So when you purchase a new vehicle, it's always important not to only have like your registration and your insurance. It's always important to also have gap insurance on your vehicle. So let me show you, because I just got gap insurance on my car. It's very important. I highly recommend it. So let me show you the gap insurance that I got on mine. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Yes, I did purchase myself some gap insurance courtesy of NITROUS Express. So I've been talking about getting NITROUS for a long time. And I finally said, you know what? I'll just order it. So that's exactly what I did. I've been going back and forth if I want to just save up and go ESS, turbo, or go with NITROUS Express first, because I do got a great partnership with NITROUS Express. So shout out to the guys there up at Wichita Falls at NITROUS Express. It has arrived. It got here quickly. I ordered this less than 48 hours ago and it arrived this morning. So the shout out and thanks again to the guys there at NITROUS Express. So yes, I decided to go the route of NITROUS first to take advantage and promote their awesome, amazing products. And let me dive in, show you exactly what I got. 3 boxes, the main box, this box, and all the extra accessories that I got are in that box. So we're gonna unbox, obviously here, the big one first. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. Okay. Installation instructions. That's lovely. Sometimes those come in handy. Oh, sweet. Cardboard. All right. And then more cardboard. So, all right. Oh, wait. Sweet. Got a license plate frame. That is an extra 5 horsepower for the license plate frame. So, glad they included that. So, here is your mounting brackets, which I'm not going to use. NITROUS lines, hardware. So yeah, I'm not going to utilize these brackets, and I'll explain to you exactly why here in a second, but I will have them as a backup just in case I need them. So I'll explain that and break that down in a second. So here we go. I went with the plate kit directly into the throttle body. Your NITROUS solenoids, all that kind of stuff. So that is what that is right there. And then, of course, the star of the show. Yes, that right there. Baby number 1, 10-pound bottle. Put you going right there. You look gorgeous. All right, classic. Then, of course, you got your stickers. Box number 2. Obviously, you probably sure have an idea what box number 2 here is. It is my second bottle. Not close, but yes, bottle number 2. Bottle number 1, bottle number 2. So, why did I go with 2 bottles? All right, so why did I decide to go with 2 bottles instead of just a standard 1? Well, 2 is better than 1. It lasts longer. I don't need to fill up as often. So that's, a main reason there too. And when it's mounted in the trunk with the bracket I got, and I'll show you that here in a second, the 2 bottle brackets in the trunk just looks completely awesome. It looks sick. So main reason is I don't need to fill up my NITROUS as often with 2 10-pounds, so 20 pounds of NITROUS. Now, people are probably going to ask what shot do I plan to go with the car. So I'm going to be going with a 150 shot. Seems pretty standard with these Gen 3 Coyotes. The 150 shot on the plate kit on E85, full bolt-on, is has been a good safe bet to go on these cars. And going with a 150 shot, in regards to doing the quarter-mile runs, depending on your bottle pressure, that's obviously the most important, and I got more stuff to unbox, so just stay tuned for that. You can usually go on a 150 shot right around maybe 7 quarter-mile hits if you can get the bottle pressure up enough to get the most out of your bottle. So if I can do roughly 7 quarter-mile hits in each, you know, it's 14 runs before I need to refill the bottles. All right, last but not least, the extra stuff that I got. So I didn't go with just the nitrous kit. I got stuff to make it run safe. I'll unbox all these here in a second. Box, 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 box. Nitrous pressure gauge. I'm pretty sure this second box is my other pressure gauge because I also got gauges for each bottle. And then extra. God damn, they packed this stuff in here good, man. Pretty sure this is my bracket for the nitrous. So let's unbox this. Okay, just undid the tape there. So yeah, yes, this looks like, yes, more stickers. Got 5 horsepower each for those. So I thought I had to do this, so I have to assemble all this because it's not just your standard nitrous bracket. I went with the badass one that looks sweet in the back trunk. So there's hardware for that. So I will, I'm not going to assemble the bracket right now, but you guys kind of get the idea. Double mounted, badass mount. It's going to go right in the trunk. It just looks better. Now, before I do the double bottles in the trunk, I'll show you where I had in mind to go in the trunk. It's going to be just right here. So this isn't sturdy enough to handle 2 full 10-pound bottles plus the bracket. So I need to add reinforcement on the bottom of this. Okay, so I just had to put the camera down and just quickly unbox this stuff real quick. So I want to show you everything that I got inside these boxes. So this is a switch panel. I didn't do, you know, putting switches in random places in like your glove compartment. This is a switch panel specifically made for the S550. I'll show you where that goes here in a second. And then this here is my purge. Purge valve. Now they had, that's the solenoid for the purge valve and the purge lines. Right there. So there was 2 different versions of a purge. One said extreme, one was like a standard kind. Honestly, I don't know what the difference is between just the standard purge and the extreme purge, but I was like, let's go extreme. I don't know if it's just a bigger purge cloud. I don't know. I was like, well, let's just go with the extreme because, yeah, why not? So that's what I did with that. So then other wiring harnesses like that right there. That's what I got, what came in this box. And then, importantly, your bottle heater. So I only have 1 bottle heater. And obviously, I got 2 nitrous bottles. Why did I just get 1? Because when I have the nitrous bottles mounted in the back of the trunk, I'm just going to have one of them plumbed up to the nitrous line. And once that bottle is empty, I will just unscrew it and then attach it to the other bottle, tighten it up, and go that route. So then I will just move said bottle heater from one bottle to the other. So as I was unboxing this, I realized I'm missing something. My nitrous gauge. So the pressure gauge, I did get 2 of these gauges for each of them, and I went through all my stuff, and I don't see a second nitrous gauge. So I need to contact Nitrous Express and be like, hey, forgot my gauge. It's all here except for that, so I gotta just reach out to them. Not a problem, but I'm supposed to have a second gauge that came along with the additional nitrous bottle, and it wasn't in here, so I don't think I might have forgot to ship it. So on that note, it's my nitrous kit, guys. drop a comment, drop a like on this also if you haven't yet already. This isn't my first time running nitrous on a car. I've ran a nitrous kit on every performance car I've drag raced, with the exception of one, and that was my GT500. I had a VMP Gen 2R blower on that. I made 705 horsepower on 93 pump gas, factory fuel system in that car. I didn't have nitrous on the things at the time. I didn't have drag radials, and I could barely handle the power I had on the street with what I had in that car. So I've ran nitrous in every other vehicle besides that one. And to be honest, I love it. It's fun. It's the most cost-effective way to add power to your car, but you have to be smart about it. You can't be stupid, because if you don't know what you're doing with not just the install on how to drive the car, what kind of shot, fuel, just with everything, you just need to be smart with it. And that's why I wanted to get a nitrous kit to help show and educate that nitrous can be safe if it's done properly. Okay, so as I'm going through this unboxing, I don't think I have everything here yet, because I realized I ordered a window switch, and I don't have the window switch here. So I don't have the window switch yet, or the second pressure gauge for the additional nitrous bottle. They could have either A, accidentally forgot to throw it in, which is fine, I just contacted them and let them know, or they shipped them separately and it's just not here yet, or they're out of stock. Maybe that's why. I don't know. But the window switch, now if anyone doesn't know what a window switch is, you program it so the nitrous comes on at a certain RPM range. So it kicks on at a certain RPM range, and it also turns off at a certain RPM range. So you don't blow the tires up, blow the tires off, spinning everywhere, going sideways, over rev the engine, blow your shit up. You can also have it come in at certain speeds, so you can program it for speed with certain gears, RPMs. So it's an important aspect to have with the nitrous kit, and I just don't have it yet. So like I said, they either A, forget to throw it in, or they're out of stock. I just don't have it yet. Okay, so I'm over here on the driver's side of the car. I wanted to show you the switch panel. So the S550s have this little sunglass holder right here. Boom. So what the switch panel is, it was designed after you wired up, of course. You got your nitrous arming switch, your purge, your bottle heater, and opener if you have a bottle opener. I don't have a bottle opener yet, so I will at least utilize these first three. Nitrous on, the purge right there, and the heater. Pretty badass. So that just slides right there. So it's just, a cleaner look for everything. Previously with, other nitrous kits, you could put your arming switch there in the console, or you can drill a hole and stick it here or something like that. But they have these for the S550s, and I just thought that was super, super awesome, clean. I don't utilize the sunglass holder that often, so for me, it's not gonna be that much of a loss. Some people do. I don't use it that often, so it's not gonna be that big of a deal. And plus, this just looks awesome. All right, so I just wanted to make a quick unboxing video of my nitrous kit. So like I said, it just arrived this morning, and I ordered it less than 2 days ago, and it's already here. So this thing is gonna have about 150 more horsepower here soon. But like I said, I'm still waiting on the window switch and my second nitrous gauge. I do also need to get colder spark plugs and the additional support piece for the trunk to hold the extra weight in the trunk. That's small things, but yeah, I'm excited. I've been talking about this for a long time, and it's finally here. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a like, subscribe if you haven't, and we will do an install on this once I have everything, and hopefully on a not too hot day. But that is coming up soon, so as I said, make sure you subscribe, drop a like, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.